are going on the countryside. You can see architecture of local houses. Turututun. A lot of children here. Hi guys, today is wonderful weather and I decided to come on the countryside and tell you and show you one of my businesses. It's building construction business, low-rise houses on the countryside. The sunshine. Actually, we're all very tired from winter, so it's fabulous, wonderful day today. And okay, I built houses separately, standing earlier, and 3 years ago I decided to change strategy and build a small village. I'm going to build here about 18 houses, and I hope that it will be a successful project. I said that it will be a successful project because I consider that it's more convenient for people who will live here to have common infrastructure, for example, and I'm sure that it's more beautiful when all houses have the same style, yes, the same standards. So let's see. Now we have built 5 houses already, and people live in 4 of them. So over there you can see a new house for selling. This is boiler room, electricity boiler for heating system. Yeah. This is a special device for water. I would say it's accumulator or storage for water. Okay, let's go to another room. It's future place for wardrobe. Glossy ceiling. So bathroom, future bathroom. Toilet, and 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. It's a future living room and several bedrooms. So the total area of this house about 100 square meters. This is sewage. Sewage represents like a biological treatment plant, and this is well for water. Let's look. Oh, it's enough water for living here. Wow, very heavy lid. The average cost of this house is about $45,000, and this price includes house, land, and all communication, electricity, sewage, water. So if you would like to visit Russia and live in Russia, welcome and buy our houses. It's very cheap, convenient and profitable for you. So welcome.